Hi everyone! So today we're in Valorbe. It's a place in the Canton de Vaud, not so far from Lausanne, well 20 kilometers, something like that, from Lausanne. Here is the Orbe, the river, and I'm going to show you the 3 Alox Limited Editions of this year. So this year they had the idea to make Thunder Grey editions. So I'm going to begin with the classic. They all come in beautiful packaging like so. Got a little certification on which it's written that you're the proud owner of the Alox Limited Edition 2022. And here is the classic. What is cool with these editions is that on the back they engraved each year what year the edition is. So you can see 2022 on this one. And this is the classic, the little one, 58 millimeters. You've got all the options of the classic. Here it is. Next, I'm going to present you. They all come in boxes, in grey boxes like so. I already opened the other one for presentation purposes, but they all come in this box with the certification. This one is the Pioneer X. I pre-opened the options because it's quite messy. Normally you never open all the options at once because it's useless and quite dangerous. But for you to see, I tried to do it so. Now, first, close the larger blade and the other ones up. So this one is a 91 millimeters. This grey is very beautiful. I don't know if you can see, it's a dark, clouded grey. They call it Thunder Grey. Next, we've got the Hunter Pro. It comes with this paracord. All the Hunter Pros comes with paracord like so, which is very practical if you've got it in your pocket like so. You can pick it up easily. They have this grip here, this pinch. Maybe I can fix it on my jacket. Yes, I can. And here's the large blade. So there's a security on the blade, it clips, then you cannot close it back. You've got to press on the back of the knife. I'm going to do it properly. Like so, and when it clips, remove your fingers and close it back. So right. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more original Victorinox content like so. See you next time. Bye.